Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mama's Kitchen once again. Friends, today I am going to share gourd curry recipe with you all. In Bengali it is called Chal and in Hindi it is called Safed pumpkin or Rakh Loki. This is a traditional Bengali recipe. It has no use of onion and garlic. Gourd is indeed a healthy vegetable. At the same time, this recipe is very tasty. So let's move to Mama's Kitchen to prepare gourd curry. First of all, we will cut this gourd into two pieces. Traditionally, the first cut of an gourd is done by a male member of the family. It looks similar to bottle gourd, but this is not bottle gourd, this is gourd. Sprinkle some water to it and leave it for some time. After around 5 minutes, we'll peel off the gourd. In a traditional Bengali family, you will not find a knife to cut the vegetables. They use this cutter. This is called boti in Bengali. Once skin is removed, we'll wash the gourd thoroughly. Now we will grate the gourd. We have grated the gourd. Here I have soaked half cup of black chana for 10 to 12 hours. We'll make paste of 2-inch ginger. In a hot and dry pan, add a bay leaf and a dry red chilli and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Let this fry for a minute and a half. You may not stir this. You can carry on with your other kitchen work. I have cut a big size potato into small cubes. Release this to the kadhai. We'll fry the potato till it turns its color to golden brown. We have kept the flame on medium high. To make the potato brown from all sides, you have to stir occasionally. It will take around 3 minutes. Once potato becomes brown, then add the grated gourd to the kadhai. Gently mix. This traditional flat spoon is called khunti in Bengali. Now add half cup of black chana to the kadhai. Add about 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. This quantity is perfect for half kg gourd. Half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Sugar is optional, you can skip it. With sugar, it tastes better. Now add salt to taste. Now let's combine all the ingredients with the khunti. This is the specialty of this recipe. Except potato, you don't have to fry anything, just add on and mix. At last, add a little water, around 1/3 of a cup. Now cover the kadhai and cook on low flame for about 15 minutes. Let's remove the lid and stir once. We'll check the potato whether it is cooked properly or not. Potato is 80% cooked. We'll cover the kadhai and cook for around 6 to 7 minutes on low flame. Now remove the lid and cook uncovered for around 1.5 to 2 minutes in order to evaporate excess water. While doing this, we will keep the flame high. Now stir nicely. This time you require to scrape from the bottom of the kadhai. Don't worry, this will enhance the taste of the ash gourd curry. Friends, this is a technique to enhance the taste and flavor of this ash gourd curry. Sticking a bit at the bottom of the kadhai enhance the taste for a few vegetables. You can try this technique with cabbage also. After stirring, leave it for a minute and then add 1 teaspoon of ghee to the kadhai. Mix well. Now stir the ash gourd curry nicely for a minute. Our ash gourd curry is ready. Now we'll shift it to a serving plate. You can garnish this with grated coconut. We don't have coconut today. If you have, you can try the same. Without coconut, it also tastes very good. You have seen how simple the preparation is. It doesn't require onion, garlic, tomato, etc. It's very good for health, especially during summer. So friends, this was my today's recipe. You must try in your kitchen, and if you like it, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for visiting my must kitchen.